I installed Catless mid pipes on my SRT Jeep. Let's get it. Damn, you totally batting this bitch. Stop playing with him. What the fuck? So I'm gonna show y'all some clips of me getting it installed, you know what I'm saying, on this SRT Jeep, you know what I'm saying? Finally, the time has come, you know what I'm saying? This bitch loud as hell. I didn't get too much footage, but I did take it to the shop. I got some clips for y'all. Here they go, you know what I'm saying? Rev it real quick. Yeah, they'd be loud as hell. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's open this trunk. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all what the fuck we talking about. What the fuck? So here we are, you know what I'm saying? We did not cut the cats. We did not do none of that. We did it the right way this time. We installed Catless mid pipes. What Catless mid pipes is basically an aftermarket version of pipes, just without the cat. It's the same thing as this, just without this, you know what I'm saying? But that shit loud as fuck, ain't it? That shit loud as fuck, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Y'all want to hear what it sound like right now, don't y'all? Y'all want to? I got y'all, you know what I'm saying? We finna go on the POV drive. I'm gonna get y'all a little coast, warm start. It's been warm, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go on the road and show y'all what to do. You know what I'm saying? They look stupid. Look at that shit. Big booty, big brown booty. My fault. Let get it. Let go. I know y'all miss me, man. I ain't posted in 9 days. All right, y'all boys, let's get a cold start. You know what I'm saying? I ain't get a car wash in 9 days. I also didn't post, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I hear what that bitch sound like. Oh my gosh. So that was like I do need a tune, because even though you might get long tubes or Catless mid pipes, you still need a tune for no check engine light. We gonna get a tune though, obviously, you know what I'm saying? I didn't do this for no reason, but you know what I'm saying? That was loud as hell. We're finna go on a little POV drive so I can show y'all how loud this beat really is, you know what I'm saying? This is an SRT Jeep 2015, you know what I'm saying? Catless mid pipes, so it's not just a cat delete, no. Catless mid pipes. I got the right shit this time, you know what I'm saying? But like, get it, let go. It do smell a little gassy, but either I'm gonna try to get it fixed or it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I don't care. You know what I'm saying? But let get it, let go. All right, y'all boys, y'all know what it is. Start that bitch up. Get out of here before they call the police. Everybody started his car. Damn, I ain't got no gas. Damn, I was low-key having fun with my friend before I filmed this, but it's cool. Chat, this a motherfucking Spectre. Oh my gosh. Nigga's rich as hell. Get the fuck out of here. Where's security? Oh shit. Security. This bitch do get a little gassy when I get on it, but when I'm strolling like this, you know what I'm saying? It's not that bad. You can still smell it though, but it's not as bad as. Oh my god. I ain't even do that. I ain't used to it. I ain't used to it. Oh my god, bro. Fuck Tesla. My fault. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not used to this shit, bro. This shit loud as hell. There's hella police out here. Oh, that's a scat pad. What the fuck? Slow ass scat pad, you know what I'm saying? Woohoo! First tunnel of the day, you know what I'm saying? First tunnel of the day. Bro, we not even in track mode, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So far, what y'all think of this cat delete, man? I ain't gonna lie, this bitch loud as hell. I ain't gonna lie, it feel good, like the response time better, you know what I'm saying? Like, Both my windows are up. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Let's try track mode, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it. I need to clean the interior of this bitch. What the fuck? This bitch farting. Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie, it sound better than my 5.7. Y'all think it sound better than my... I got a verbal tune already. Ain't gonna lie. Damn. Relax. This bitch just I ain't gonna lie. Roll the window up, bro. This bitch just a monster, bro. It don't want to relax. I ain't gonna lie. I like how I turn it to auto, and it just relax. Like you won't hear shit now. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Show it. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna scare them niggas. I ain't gonna scare them. I want to, but I ain't gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm kind of used to this shit. My 5.7 was loud as hell. So like this shit low key not nothing to me. But like it's louder than my 5.7. I ain't gonna lie. Like when I get on it, when I'm like chilling or idling or chilling, this shit not that bad. But like when I'm on that bitch loud as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck is that? What's a Mustang 450? What the hell? I ain't never heard of that shit. Ignore that check engine light, you know what I'm saying? Ignore that bitch. You know what I'm saying? I can make it quiet, you know what I'm saying? I can make it loud, I can make it quiet, I can make it medium, you know what I'm saying? You know what? This bitch got way faster, bruh. This bitch is gliding, man. Like, what the... Look at this shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That motherfucker over there too. Oh! I was a state trooper, bro. That right there, that's a state trooper, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gotta relax, bro. You gotta relax. You know what I'm saying? We wasn't speeding, but it'd be loud as fuck. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta relax, my boy. You know what I'm saying? You gotta calm down. That's why you need one of these boys, though. Get the tunnel like I wanted to, man. Damn. The freeway is low key where I think y'all don't really see the potential of what this thing can do and what this sound like, because the road, the road is crazy, but like, I ain't gonna lie, the freeway is insane. Like, it really, like, you can really open it up on the freeway. You know what I'm saying? It sounds crazy though right now. The power is like so much more power too. Like, I got, oh my gosh. Alright, we finna hit the freeway, so we gonna put that in track mode. You gonna get a few damn, bro. I just wanted to hit the freeway, bro. Why you gotta be, bro? Damn. We slowly gonna get on the freeway because, you know, fucking cops and shit. You know what I'm saying? Damn, bro. Shit getting closer too. Like, bro, what the fuck? Alright, y'all boys. Woo. hear something real quick, you know what I'm saying? Like a crackhead when I do that. I look like a crackhead when I do that, bro. Let me get the fuck out of here. My gosh. That shit just burnt all my gas. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch got some power to it. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, like it feel like it ain't got no like limiter, but it do. Like it feel like it ain't got no restrictions, bro. What the fuck is up with K8, man? K8, damn, I ain't gonna lie, that shit potent as fuck though. Potent. That shit potent. That downshift crazy, bro. Tesla? You really want a Tesla, bro? Come on, man. You really want a Tesla after this, bro? You really want that shit, that battery right there? Maybe as like a grocery getter, you know what I'm saying? Maybe. Barely touching the pedal, bro. I'm going 60. Y'all can't even fucking hear me so loud, bro. I'm going 60 miles per hour, bro. Loud as hell. Alright, y'all boys, that is the end of the video. SRT G-Ski finally got Catless mid pipes, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Long overdue, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Loud ass truck, man. Loud as hell, they be louder than my shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I love y'all boys, man. I ain't dropped a video in 9 days. I've been going through it, you know what I'm saying? I've been going through a lot of shit. But we finally got this mod going crazy. This bitch a lot of hell. It's fast as fuck now. It's even faster now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit fast as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm probably not gonna go that fast in this bitch. I'm not gonna, like, psych. But without further ado, man, I know y'all miss me, man. I'm sorry. I couldn't post no videos, man. I've been going, like I said, a lot of shit been going on. Catless mid pipes. I wish I could pop the hood so y'all can see underneath. But I did show y'all in the beginning of the video what the pipes look like, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. One thing I do want to get figured out is this bitch is gassy as hell. Like, this bitch, like, when I get on it, this shit gassy as fuck. Like, when I'm strolling, chilling, it's not that bad. But when I my fault. But when I get on it, bitch, this bitch a little stanky, you know what I'm saying? But, nah, I say it's all good. I love y'all boys. That is the end of the video. If you like this video, drop a like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Road to 4,000 subs, you know what I'm saying? We almost there. They be like, why you keep on saying you know what I'm saying? We know what you're saying, you know what I'm saying? My fault. I love y'all boys. That is the end of the video. Shit, it's been a long... What the fuck was that? Till the next video, until the next banger, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know this shit. About to be doing hella crazy shit, you know what I'm saying? You already know. Stay tuned, bruh. Stay tuned, man. Road to 4,000 subs. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get y'all a little warm start. We've been going crazy, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all a little warm start in the week, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Lego. Ah, let's get it. Oh my gosh. Man, we gotta check engine lights, so they ain't gonna stay on that long, but we gonna get it tuned soon. They be gonna be even crazier, you know what I'm saying? Even faster, you know what I'm saying? We rolled to 640 horsepower, some shit like that, you know what I'm saying? I love y'all boys, and we out, man. Let's get it. Let motherfucker go. Subscribe.